कामाख्या अम्बुबाची, रक्त वस्त्र, Kamakhya Sindoor and Yoni Jal. During the sacred period of Ambubachi, Ma Kamakhya is traditionally believed to enter her divine Rajaswala menstruation phase for 3 days. During these 3 days, a large white cloth is placed over Ma, and after the temple door reopens, this cloth is received as the sacred Raktavastra. This divine cloth does not reach everyone because lakhs of devotees gather to receive Ma's blessings. Those who receive it usually get only a very teeny piece, and it is traditionally obtained through special assays and temple connections and by a part of huge bribe. घूस देने के बाद ही मिलता है पंडों को. After Ambubachi, through the main priest of Kamakhya temple, we are arranging a very limited quantity of Raktvastra Kamakhya Sindoor Yoni Jal from Ma Kamakhya. This will be available only for limited number of devotees. Whoever wishes to receive it should inform us as soon as possible. The glory of Raktavastra is considered beyond words. In Tantra traditions, it holds a very special importance and is believed to carry Ma Kamakhya divine energy. Devotees believe that keeping this secret Vastra invites protection, spiritual strength, prosperity, abundance, and Ma's blessing into life. When kept inside a tabiz amulet and worn, it is traditionally believed to prove divine protection, increase attraction, spiritual aura, and keep Ma Kamakhya's grace with the devotee. Worshipping this Vastra in your puja sthan is believed to invite Ma Kamakhya's presence, blessings, and positive energy into the home. In the Tantra marg, Raktavastra has many sacred traditional uses which will be guided to those who received it. Along with this, Kamakhya Sindoor will also be provided, which is considered highly powerful in puja and tantric practices. This is traditionally applied for blessings, focus, attraction, spiritual growth, and progress in sadhana. You will also receive sacred Yoni Jal from Ma Kamakhya Garbhagriha, which devotees traditionally use for purification of the home, removal of negative energies, and receiving Ma Kamakhya divine blessing.